In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a poll on Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Sites section. This is where you can manage pages and build the kind of experience your visitors will interact with. From there, either create a new landing page or open one you already have. If you're starting fresh, choose a layout that fits your goal. If you already have a page set up, just open it in the editor so you can add the poll to it. Inside the landing page editor, click on Sections. This is where Mailerlite gives you different content blocks you can place onto your page. Look for the interactive category, then find the poll element. Drag that poll block onto your landing page and place it wherever it makes the most sense for your visitors. Once the poll is on the page, click the poll section to start editing it. First, customize the intro text and the button. This is important because it sets expectations and encourages people to participate. Keep your wording simple and direct, so visitors immediately understand what the poll is about. Next, add your poll question. Make sure the question is clear and easy to answer. Then click Add an Answer to enter the response choices people can select from. If you want to ask more than one question, click Add a Question and build out the rest of your poll. If you'd like to collect contact information, you can optionally add a sign-up form. This lets you capture participants' email addresses and send them into a Mailerlite group for future campaigns. If you use this feature, make sure the form feels relevant to the poll so the experience stays smooth. After that, customize the outro message. This is what people see after completing the poll, so it's a good place to thank them or guide them toward the next action. You can also open the Rules tab if you want to make the poll more dynamic. Rules let you show different questions depending on how someone answers, which is useful if you want a more personalized flow. Before publishing anything, preview and test your poll carefully. Click through it yourself and make sure the questions, answers, button text, and any sign-up settings all work properly. When everything looks good, click Done Editing, then publish your landing page, and that's how to create a poll on Mailerlite.